You also need to be aware of legal and regulatory changes, and this is a risk that is obviously a significant risk. Now, the UK has introduced various measures in the housing market over the years. Some that come to mind are stamp duty, first-time buyer schemes, help to buy scheme, Section 24 for finance costs. So there's quite been extensive changes. Now, some of these measures may not be extended and they've come to an end, but the policies keep changing. So it's important that if you're in the game, you stay on top of the game, and if you can't, then a deal sourcer or other advisors will assist you with that. So, for example, there's been proposed reforms to the leasehold system, energy efficient and energy performance standards, planning regulations. All these are changing, and a good deal sourcer will be aware of these and will assist you with the implications and the costs, so you go into a deal with your eyes open.